Most people believe one thing about investing. I'll start when I have more money. So they wait. They earn, they spend, they try to save, but they never invest. And years pass. Nothing changes. Now here's the truth. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You need understanding. Because investing is not about how much you start with. It's about starting early, staying consistent, and thinking long-term. And the biggest mistake people make is waiting too long. In this video, we're going to break investing down in the simplest way possible so you can understand it, start it, and grow with it, even if your income is small. Section 1. What investing really is. Let's start with the basics. What is investing? Investing simply means using your money to make more money. That's it. Instead of your money sitting still, you put it into something that can grow over time. Now this is very important. Saving and investing are not the same. Saving keeps your money safe. Investing makes your money grow. If you only save, your money stays the same. But if you invest, your money has the chance to increase. Now, think about it like this. Saving is like storing water. Investing is like planting seeds. If you store water, it stays the same. If you plant seeds, they grow into something bigger. And that is the power of investing. Section 2. Why investing is not optional. Many people think investing is something extra, something optional, something for rich people. But the truth is, investing is necessary. Why? Because of one simple reason. Money loses value over time. The cost of living increases. Prices go up. Things become more expensive. So if your money is just sitting, it is slowly losing its power. That means even if you save, you are not truly progressing. You are just maintaining, or sometimes even losing. Investing is what helps your money keep up and move ahead. It is not about getting rich quickly. It is about protecting and growing your future.
The biggest lie? I need a lot of money. Look at this tiny...
Section 3. The biggest lie. I need a lot of money. Now, let's destroy one of the biggest lies about investing. I need a lot of money to start. This belief stops so many people, but it is not true, because investing is not about size. It is about consistency. You don't need to start big. You need to start early. Small amounts saved and invested consistently become powerful over time because of something called growth over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. So, the real problem is not lack of money. It is delay. Waiting too long is what costs people the most. Section 4. How investing actually works. Let's make this very simple. How does investing work? You put money into something, and over time, it grows. That growth can come from profits, value increase, returns over time. Now here's the key. Growth is not instant. It takes time. And that's where many people fail. They expect quick results. They want fast money. But real investing is slow, steady, consistent. It's not exciting every day, but over time, it becomes powerful. Because small growth, repeated over time, creates big results. Section 5. Types of investments simplified. Now let's talk about where you can invest. We'll keep it simple. There are different ways to grow your money. Some people invest in businesses, skills that increase their income, opportunities that bring returns. Each one has its own level of risk and reward. But here's what matters most. Understanding what you are doing. Never invest in something you don't understand, because confusion leads to loss. Clarity leads to growth. So start simple. Learn first. Then grow. Section 6. The biggest mistakes beginners make.
Sure.
Now let's talk about mistakes, because avoiding mistakes is just as important as making progress. First mistake, trying to get rich quickly. This leads to risky decisions. Second mistake, investing without understanding. Following trends, copying others, guessing. Third mistake, inconsistency. Starting, stopping, starting again. Fourth mistake, fear. Waiting too long, avoiding action completely. These mistakes keep people stuck. So remember, slow and steady growth is better than fast and risky loss. Section 7. How to start with little money. Now let's make it practical. How do you start? Step 1. Build the habit of saving. Step 2. Set aside a small amount regularly. Step 3. Learn where to invest. Step 4. Start small. Step 5. Stay consistent. Don't wait for big money. Start with what you have. Because starting is what creates progress. Section 8. The power of consistency. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. You don't need to invest a large amount once. You need to invest small amounts repeatedly. That's how growth happens. Over time, your money builds, and that's where the real power comes from. Not in one big moment, but in small, repeated actions. Section 9. The real shift. Here is the truth that changes everything. Investing is not about money. It is about mindset. If you think short-term, you will struggle. If you think long-term, you will grow. Because wealth is not built in days, it is built in years. Through patience, discipline, and understanding. Conclusion. Remember this. You don't need to be rich to start investing, but you need to start investing to become rich. Start small, stay consistent, think long-term, and your future will begin to change. And if you want more simple, powerful lessons like this, subscribe to Explains 102. Because understanding money is how you take control of your life.